Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's video we are going to talk about a virtual office solution that'll help you build business credit. So if you're in the process of just starting your business right now, or you have an existing business and you want to create that separation between you, like let's say you run your business from home and you want to create a separation and build business credit, this is the video for you. So let's talk about this virtual office solution that builds business credit. So first and foremost, what is in a virtual office? You hear about it on many different types of websites, and what can you do with a virtual office? What's the benefits of it? Obviously, there's a lot of things going on with working remotely from home. Many people are starting a business. You could be an entrepreneur that works from home already. So virtual office, what it is, it's a turnkey solution that provides you as a business owner, or let's say you're starting your business, the ability to have a professional corporate image, but without the hefty costs of actually setting up a physical location to operate your business. Obviously, you know, when you set up an office space, that could cost thousands of dollars per month. You have to buy office furniture. You have to buy obviously everything you need to run that office. You may have to hire an assistant to take your calls. So it could get very expensive, or you might already have a business that you have an existing location and you want to minimize cost, or you want to lower your costs. Well, here is another way for you to save a bundle by integrating a virtual office solution. So you get what a virtual office solution provides is you get all the same benefits of a traditional office operation, such as you get a corporate business mailing address at a nice location, an actual corporate location, a dedicated business phone number and fax number for you, a live receptionist that answers your phone calls, and company voicemail, a conference room, boardroom, etc. So these are all the things that you need to run your business. So let's say you're starting a company right now, and you want to start working from home, or you have a startup budget. You want to keep costs as minimal as possible, but you want to legitimize your business operation, and you want to have privacy. You don't want to have your home address out there that for everyone to see. So you want that privacy as well. Well, all these things you see right here, if you went and searched for a little office to rent out, that's going to cost you quite a bit, and you have to get into a contract, usually a lease for 12 months for that office space, a down payment, you got to buy all that furniture, etc. You got to get all the tools you need, computer, business phone number, fax number lines, everything set up there. So imagine you can avoid all of that by having a turnkey solution that does all of it for you, while you're still able to work from your own home location. So from the outside, your customers, or even potential banks or lenders that are trying to get a hold of you as a business owner, you have all this corporate structure in place, but you're actually physically working from home. Okay, or you're in a remote location. So that's what's really powerful about this. So if during this presentation you're ready to go, or you want to get more details, just go to virtualofficeplan.com. That'll take you to our provider that we highly recommend. It's the only virtual office provider that we know of that reports to the Business Credit Reporting Agency. So this will help you build business credit while at the same time running your business. So, but we're going to get into some details on this virtual office provider and what are all the benefits and how to integrate it, how it works, etc. So why should you as a business owner choose a virtual office? Well, number one, this legitimizes your business operation. So what I mean by that is, when you're running your business, let's say you're running your business from home and you incorporated your business, you have your home address on your company docs, it's on your materials. So when someone Googles your business, and this is not public record, they can literally find where you live, your own personal home, because it's tied to your business. So, if you're trying to create a separation, you want to have that privacy. You don't want public of knowing people where you physically live. Then that's one important thing where you want to have a virtual office, because it creates that separation. Also legitimizes that when people let's say you're meeting customers and they want to meet with you, you can go to your corporate office, because they do have meeting rooms there. They have a lobby you can meet a customer or a client, so you wouldn't be having them come to your home. So that's another safety and privacy that you can have with having a virtual office. And it gives you that professional corporate image, because the other thing is, when you have customers who are calling you, let's say right now you're using your personal cell phone on your business cards, your website, or that's how people get a hold of you for your business, but you also have friends, family that also call you on your cell phone. So every time you answer your personal cell phone, are you saying, "Thank you for calling ABC Company, how can I help you?" Or are you just saying, "Hello"? So how do you create that separation between you taking a personal phone call from having an actual customer or client or even a lender calling you? So that's where you want to have that separation. That's why it's important to have a dedicated business phone number that's exclusively for your business. And even when you don't answer phone calls, what happens? Is it just going to our personal voicemail right now? Well, you want to have a company voicemail where it says, "You've reached ABC Company. We're not available at this time. Please leave your name and number," et cetera, et cetera. So that's why it's important to have all these things in place. Okay, so and let's say a customer calls your office and they want to meet with you, but you work from home. So if you have that type of business where you want to meet clients, or you have clients that need to meet with you or schedule appointments, et cetera, then you want to have the benefits of a traditional business and not have them come to your home. Okay, so that's another benefit of a virtual office. Of course, I talked about getting all the materials you need to run your business if you're going to set up an actual physical office, which you don't have to do with a virtual office. Another important thing is receiving mail and packages. So if you're working from home, or you have your business running from home, you don't want to receive all that business correspondence and mail. That's where you have a separation. If you have a virtual office, all that business mail can be now sent to your corporate address and they forward it back to you. Okay, so you now have that separation. You don't have your personal home address for your business mail. Okay, so how does this actually work? It sounds great, right? But how does it work? So with our provider, we have a flat fee of $99 a month, and that is the lowest cost virtual office provider you'll find in the market that provides you all the things I'm about to share with you. All the ones out there charge $250, some charge $500 a month, so it's a lot. $99 monthly fee, you get all the tools you need, turnkey, to run a serious professional business. So whether you're a startup, or let's say you're an existing business and you're paying thousands of dollars right now, let's say you have a secretary, let's say you have physical office space that you go to, etc. You can eliminate all those expenses for $99 a month. I'm going to share with you how you do that. But you get a corporate mailing address, number one, at a location you choose. It could be local to you, regional, or even national. You get a dedicated business phone number set up for you. So if you're using a cell phone number, well, don't worry. You'll now get a dedicated local business phone number that you can actually forward your calls. Your receptionist will answer, "Hello, thank you for calling ABC Company." And then what happens is she puts them on hold and forwards that incoming call to your cell phone. So you know it's a business call. It's a client calling you. And they don't know that you're talking on your cell phone. Okay? So that's really powerful, having a live receptionist answer your phone calls for you. Let's say you're just starting a business, you're a startup, and you have a full-time job. So if you have a customer calls you while you're at your work, your job, while you're just starting your business and running it, you can have a live receptionist answering your phone call and taking messages for you or voicemail while you're at work. Okay, so that's another powerful thing. You also get voicemail, and you get a dedicated fax number. That's also important. So people can also send correspondence to you. They can send agreements or contracts or documents, etc. In addition, this is the best of all. Your monthly fee, your $99 a month, gets reported to a business credit reporting agency. So this, number one, creates your credit file for the business, and every month you're paying your monthly fee for your entire virtual office package. That gets reported to your business credit report every single month. So you're also creating a company credit file, you're building payment history with your business credit report, and you're getting everything, all the benefits to run your business. Okay, so this is powerful. And you create a professional corporate image while you're having a super operating cost, very, very low, of only $99 a month. Okay, and of course, those are expenses, so you can write off on your taxes. This is a company expense, $99 a month to run your company. Now, virtualofficeplan.com will show you everything I want, but I encourage you to keep watching this video because we're going to go into some other important benefits. So they report to CreditSafe. That's the business credit reporting agency that this virtual office provider reports to every single month. So who is CreditSafe? You hear us talk about Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, Equifax Business. We did a video not too long ago about CreditSafe. So CreditSafe is mainly known as an international business credit reporting agency, but they're making their big prominence now in the U.S. They are now a U.S. business credit reporting agency. So these are just some of the companies that report to CreditSafe and actually pull credit reports, business credit reports from CreditSafe. So over 100,000 companies in the U.S. pull and report from credit to CreditSafe. And here's a couple of main ones that you may be familiar with: Dell, GM, PayPal, BMW. So is it important for you to have a company credit file with CreditSafe? Absolutely, because this particular business credit agency is only going to get bigger. Why? Because they allow companies to pull unlimited business credit reports. So when you have other business credit reporting agencies like DNB or Experian, they give them a certain number of reports that they can pull on other companies if they're going to want to review the credit history. CreditSafe offers an unlimited amount for other companies. So that's huge. That's a big benefit for them. Okay. Now let's talk about this virtual office provider helps you get credit ready. You hear the term legal compliance or compliance before you start applying for credit, before you apply for your DUNS number, etc. You hear that term used a lot. We even use it. So with a virtual office solution, getting your professional business image, number one, is you're getting your business mailing address out of the way. You're getting a corporate address for your business. You're getting your business phone number done, and more importantly, it's getting 411 listed. Okay, so that's one step you don't have to worry about. We even cover this in our business credit building system. But your business phone number that they assign to you, and it's a local business number, gets 411 listed. Any voicemails you get on your business phone number with this company, it converts to email. Okay, so you can get these voice messages via email. You get a dedicated business fax number. That's another thing. Check off the box on getting credit ready for your business. Now, any faxes you have that come in gets converted to email for you as well. So that way you don't have to have a printer printing out your faxes. You can view them right on the computer. Now, one unique aspect is they have a call out feature with this provider that allows you, let's say a customer calls your business phone number, receptionist answers the call. Let's say you're not available, or you have it triggered a voicemail, so you let them know what the schedule is. So let's say you're open only from 9 to 5 every day, and she transfers calls to you, but at 6 or 7 people are calling in, it's going to go to voicemail. Well, let's say the next day you check your voicemail and you get to call a couple people, but you want to call them from your cell phone. Well, this call out feature allows you to call them via your cell phone, but your business phone number shows up as caller ID to that customer. So they're not going to get your cell phone number. So that's some of the cool technology, and this is a feature that you can get with this virtual office provider. Now, this also establishes your business credit file with CreditSafe, and this reports monthly. Your $99 a month reports every single month to CreditSafe. So you're building credit history. Okay, so this knocks out quite a few things when it comes to getting credit ready for your business. Of course, you want to set up your business bank account, obviously incorporating your business, getting your EIN, etc. There's much more. Now, let's break down each of these benefits. First, you're going to get a business mailing address. So you can use that business mailing address to receive all your company mail and packages. They do provide mail forwarding. Okay, so this creates that clear separation between you and your business. So when someone needs to mail something to you, or you have anything business related, you have your business mailing address. So it will go to your business mailing address, and it will be forwarded to wherever you want it to be forwarded to. Let's say it's forwarded to your home, but anyone sending mail to you doesn't know it's going to your home. It's going to your business mailing address. So that there's the separation. There's that privacy. This avoids the cost of regular office space for you as well. So you're not going to get locked into an expensive lease. There are over 650 locations that they provide to you all across the US and Canada that you could choose from. So there's also what's called premium locations in this 650. So what does that mean? Some premium locations have lobby, conference rooms, reception areas, coffee shops that you can use. So that's ideal for you. Let's say you want to have a virtual office set up and you want to meet clients as well at this office location. So you'll want to select a premium location. So when a client wants to make an appointment with you, you can meet them at your office location. So that's really powerful benefit. Now, let's talk about the business phone number, a dedicated business phone number. It's local. This creates a clear separation between you and your business when it comes to communications, which you definitely want to do. So right now, if you're running your business and your cell phone is the number you give to customers, or you have it on your business paperwork, your documents, or you even have a home phone number, you want to change that right away. You want to have a dedicated business phone number that's just for your business. So when someone calls, it answers, this is ABC Company, or if they get voicemail, it's for your company, ABC Company, let's just say. But you want to have that separation. And I already told you how they have call transferring, so it can keep your personal cell phone number completely separate from your business. Okay? And more importantly, is your business phone number does get 411 directory assistance. It gets listed with the 411 directory. Okay, that's another important tool, because when customers, or let's say any type of potential credit grantors like a vendor or supplier wants to verify your business, one of the things they do to verify the legitimacy of a company is they may check 401 directory assistance to see where you're located at, if you're even listed. So this takes care of that one component, is getting your company 401 listed. Now you also want to get listed with the online directories too. So with your business phone number here, you can use that across all different channels. You can put your dedicated business phone number on your business cards. You can put it with obviously your bank documents, your corporate documents, your online directory filings. It's going to be in your 401 directory. So you want to have that consistency all across. So imagine though, let's say you use your cell phone as the number on all these channels. Well, let's say you change your cell phone number, or you had to get a new number. So that's where sometimes people change their personal phone number, okay? But on the business line, that won't impact if you change your personal phone number, okay? That's why you want to have that separation, okay? Establish a local presence instantly for your business. You get 2 voicemail boxes included in the plan. And like I told you, you do have that call out feature available as well. Let's talk about live call answering. All calls that come in through this provider, they answer with your company name. Okay, so they're not just giving a generic, hello, can we help you? They're saying your company name when someone calls, the receptionist is, which is great. Okay, and there's a call time that they can answer live. They're going to be answering live between 8:30 to 5:30. After that, it goes to voicemail, your business voicemail. Okay. And you can set up your own voicemail box, so when someone calls in, that's the greeting they get, etc. You have the ability to take messages for you or transfer calls, so that receptionist can do either or. Okay, let's say you can't accept calls during these times, because let's say you're at your JOB, then they're going to take messages for you during that time. Okay, get voicemail messages via email. Call out feature allows you to show your local phone number, your business phone number, rather than your cell phone number or any other number you're using. And you avoid losing potential customers or clients, because when they call, someone's always answering your phone, which is huge. So let's talk about the company fax number. You get a local fax number if you're a company. This makes sending and receiving documents very easy compared to, let's say, they can only mail you something. Okay. Of course, there's a lot of different fax services out there, like eFax, etc. You get a fax number with this company, but it's a local fax number, and more importantly, they convert it to email. So some of the other companies, the free fax providers out there, they give you they don't give you a local fax number. It would be a different number that's not your local number. Okay, fax is converted to email. And this provides options for customers or clients to send you documents rather than the traditional mail. So it's just a benefit. It's something that's important to have. Now, let's talk about this solution. It's $99 a month. You get the best value, most affordable turnkey corporate solution. I'm a big advocate for this product very much, because you just can't beat it for the price. For everything you're getting, 650 locations, They report to they report to the business credit reporting agencies. CreditSafe is who they report to. You get everything you need under one umbrella, so you don't have to set up this, set up this, set up this. Let's say you want everything in one package, $99 a month. And it also gives you the best of both worlds, because if you run a business where you're going to be meeting customers, then you now have a professional location, and instead of meeting them at a Starbucks or something like that, you have them meet you at your office. Okay. And they're very well known. So for information to sign up, go to virtualofficeplan.com. That's HTTP, not S, because this forwards to our provider, virtualofficeplan.com, so you can get the $99 deal, and it reports to the business credit reporting agency. So this is really, really huge for those of you who are looking to build business credit and get everything you need to run a professional business at a very low cost. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to check out our main website, which is businesscreditbuilders.org. We provide business credit and funding solutions and our step-by-step business credit building system. Click the subscribe tab. That way you're always being notified. We come out with new videos, new products, new services, and strategies for you to grow and build your business credit while protecting your personal credit at the same time. Make it a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.